Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Agri New Light. Today we are going to discuss about mock test of genetics plant breeding. So let's start without wasting a time. Before starting the mock test, I want to say subscribe our channel to get more update. So let's start. First question: the term genetics given by which scientist? So options are: first A. Mueller, B. Batson, and C. Garrod, and Beadle and Tatum. So right answer is Batson. Genetics term given by Batson. Second question: gene for gene concept given by which scientist? Options are Beadle and Tatum, Flour, Watson, and Waldeyer. So gene for gene concept given by Flour. Question third: acquired character of inheritance given by which scientist? Means acquired character proposed theory which scientist? A. Thomas Fairchild, B. Weismann, C. John Knight, and D. Lamarck. So right answer Lamarck, option D. Fourth question: who developed commercial variety of apple, apricot, grapes, etc. through hybridization? So options are A. John Knight, B. Mendel, C. Robert, and D. Sutton and Boveri. So right answer John Knight. John Knight developed commercial variety of apple, apricot, grapes, and etc. through hybridization in 1759 to 1835. Fifth question: cell theory proposed by which scientist? Options are A. Sladen and Swan, B. Robert Hooke, C. Colrater, and D. Fleming. So right answer Sladen and Swan, option A, right answer. Question 6: who proposed germ plant theory? Options are A. Flour, B. Weismann, C. Mendel, and D1 Darwin. So friends, right answer Weismann. Weismann proposed germ plant theory. Question 7: who construct the microscope? Option A. Johnson and Johnson, B. Lamarck, C. Colrater, D. Beadle and Tatum. So friends, right answer Johnson and Johnson. Question 8: who proposed pangenesis theory? Option A. Lamarck, B. Waldeyer, C. Fairchild, D1 Darwin. Right answer option A. Lamarck. Question 9: who made extensive crosses in Nicotiana species between 1760 to 66? Options are A. Lamarck, B. Colrater, and C. Flour, and D1 is Weismann. So friends, right answer option B. Colrater. Colrater Colrater made extensive crosses in F1 Nicotiana species between 1760 to 66. Question 10: which among the following oldest method of plant breeding? Options are A. Pure line, B. Mass selection, C. Pedigree method, D. Backcross. So friends, right answer option B. Mass selection. Mass selection is the oldest method of plant breeding. Who proposed pure line theory? in 1903? Options are A. Mendel, B. Johnson, and C. MacLeod, and D. 1. Floor. Right answer option B. Johnson. In a pure line selection, be selected a large number of plant and harvest. After harvesting, be select individual plant. After this, be constitute the seed as a new variety. Question 12. One gene, one enzyme hypothesis given by which scientist? Options are A. Watson and Crick, B. Floor, C. Garrod, and D1 is Beadle and Tatum. So friends, right answer option D, Beadle and Tatum. Question 13. Which method of plant breeding is used to develop disease resistance in plant? So options are A. Recurrent selection, B. Bulk selection, C. Pack cross, D. Pure line selection. So friends, right answer back cross. Option C, right answer. Question 14. Who discovered inborn error in metabolism in 909? Options are A. Garrod, B. Muller, C. Monod, D1 is Mendel. So right answer. So friends, right answer A, option A, Garrod. Question 15. Which among the following longest method of plant breeding? Options are A. Mass selection, B. Bulk selection, C. Pure line selection, D. Pedigree selection. So friends, right answer option B, bulk selection. Bulk selection is the longest method of plant breeding. Question 16. Scientific name of novel cane. So friends, options are Saccharum barberi, B. Saccharum spontaneum, C. Saccharum obscinarum, D. None of above. So friends, right answer Saccharum obscinarum. Question 17. Who developed Rapnobrassica? So friends, options are A. Garrod, B. Karpichenko, D. Muller, C. Darwin. So friends, right answer option B, Karpichenko. Here we are going to discuss or understand what is the experiment between Rapnobrassica. One scientist who developed this Rapnobrassica variety and his name Karpichenko. Karpichenko aspect Raphanus sativa and Brassica oleracea crosses. He think that Raphanus sativa's root and Brassica oleracea leaf, but experiment is done oppositely, like Raphanus sativa's root is converted into leaf and Brassica oleracea leaf converted into root. After this developed new species Rapnobrassica. Question 18. Most condensed stage of chromosome in which stage of cell division? Options are A. Metaphase, B. Prophase, C. Telophase, D. Anaphase. So friends, right answer option B, prophase. Prophase is the stage in which condensed form of chromosome are present. Question 19. Most clear image of chromosome in which stage of cell division? Options are A. Anaphase, B. Prophase, C. Telophase, D. Metaphase. So friends, right answer option D, metaphase. Question 20. Longest stage of cell division. Options are interphase, B, prophase, C, anaphase, D, metaphase. So friends, right answer option A. Option A, interphase. Interphase is the longest stage of cell division. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.